Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. You have just opened GMGN AI and don't know what to do next. Don't worry. In this video I will show you exactly how to connect your wallet and set up alerts step by step even if you are a complete beginner. But if you haven't joined this GMGN AI website, you can use our referral code which is IgGGTrth, which is also being displayed on the screen. You can also check for the referral link which is available into the description of the video so that you can save big transaction gas fees forever and it's easy to use. Okay, so why connect your wallet? Connecting your wallet lets you track your tokens, monitor your trades, interact with tools faster. It basically makes your dashboard more personalized. So open GMGN AI dashboard and you will land on the main dashboard where all analytics and token data are displayed, which is you can also check for on the screen. So here's a step to connect your wallet. In order to connect your wallet, you have to click on this option, okay, on the right corner, or you can also check for here you will see connect your wallet option. I have already connected my wallet, so that's why it's not appearing here. Okay, so if the option is appearing at your side, click it and you will see options like phantom wallet or software. Select your wallet and approve the connection. After the connection confirmation, now GMGN can show your balance and activity directly in the dashboard. Okay, so go to the alert section. So you can go to the alert section, you adjust this gear icon and then go for the notification section, and here you will see an alert option. Okay, so this is where you can create custom alert for making activity. You can set alerts based on new token activity, volume spikes, wallet movements, price changes, and you can turn on their sounds as well. Okay, so customize the notification of the browser notification as well as if you use any external application like Telegram. So choose what works best for you. So after doing the setting, you test your alerts. Before relying on alerts, test them. Make sure you are actually receiving notifications so you don't miss anything important. You can also check for the a new token alert by this option. You can change these sounds as well for the almost bonded or migrated ones too. Okay, and you can also customize this bar, like you can customize this data as well. Okay, so if you are new, start with simple alerts like volume spikes or new token listing. Too many alerts can confuse you. Okay, so once your wallet is connected and alerts are set up, GMG and AI becomes much powerful. If you want more beginner friendly tutorials like this, subscribe and I will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.